It's already recording, so.
Alright.
I better get this motherfucker this time. Fuck. Nothing.
Aim, bro.
Fuck. It's jammed up. Oh, hell no.
What?
It's jammed. Oh, fucking hell no.
Holy shit.
Fuck.
It's having difficulties.
There we go.
Oh, there we go. He's got it.
That's all you had to do.
Pop it back in place.
Yeah. This is fucking retarded.
You're not aiming. Breathe and then aim.
Fuck. There's no way in hell that's already 15 rounds.
Yeah, that was 15. Because I counted it. That was 15 rounds.
What it was is this didn't go back far enough so I had to go like that.
Yeah, pop it back in place.
There's something lodged in it.
No, nothing's lodged in it. Probably just needs to be cleaned
Yeah.
inside the barrel more.
That thing's still going.
Yeah. When we turn it off.
Yeah.